Hi friend, Roxy Saran here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you 6 different tea recipes to help reduce stress. You're going to love these. I'm so glad that you're joining me today. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. Okay, the first one is called quiet meditation. So you're going to have 1 cup of hot water, 2 tablespoons of honey. Make sure you get your local unpasteurized honey from your local beekeeper, and 1 drop of Roman chamomile. I love Roman chamomile. It's really soothing and calming. It's great for your quiet reading time, or even before bed. It really helps soothe your body to help have ease of sleep at night. So you're gonna love that. The next one is kind of the opposite. It's called Zing and Zest. So this one is 1 cup of hot water, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 drop of wild orange and 1 drop of lemon. Now this one is of course lemony and zesty, and it's ready to pick you up and get ready for the day. You're going to love Zing and Zest essential oils. Of course, we only use doTERRA essential oils at our house because of their potency and purity and their sourcing. We work directly with the farmers, the certified pure tested grade, and always making sure that the bottle has a supplement fact on it, ensuring that you can take essential oils internally. So I love that, and that's the only company that I would choose to use for my family, and so we love that. Okay, be sure to go to roxysaran.com if you're ready to grab your wild orange, lemon, and your Roman chamomile. You can do that right at roxysaran.com. Okay, the next recipe I'm going to give you, it's called Calm in a Cup. So 1 cup of hot water, 2 tablespoons of raw honey, and 2 drops of lemon. This is, again, very soothing to the body. You're going to love this. It's going to help with your digestive tract as well, and you're going to absolutely love that. Okay, go to roxysaran.com if you're ready to hop in with doTERRA essential oils. I would love to help you right at roxysaran.com. Okay, the next one is called Clear the Airways. 1 cup of hot water, 1 drop of peppermint, 1 drop of lemon, and 1 drop of lavender. This is going to help with any seasonal discomfort that you might have, any itchy throat or itchy eyes, anything that might have been a little bit of an allergen to you. You're going to love this tea for you. Lemon, lavender, and peppermint. It's going to help open up those airways and help with that discomfort that you might be having. Okay, the next one is called Tummy Tamer. 1 cup of hot water and 1 drop of ginger. This is excellent, especially in those winter months. Maybe we're not getting enough movement and help our bowels get going. You're going to love this. This is great every morning on an empty tummy. You can even add a drop of lemon in there if you'd like to help with regularity. So this is a great tummy tamer hot tea for you. Okay, and the last one, I promised you 6. Last but not least, is called Refocus. 1 drop of hot water. I'm sorry, not a drop of hot water. Who would do that, right? 1 cup of hot water, 1 tea bag, and 1 drop of bergamot. Again, this is going to help refocus, re-energize, and get you going through your day. I hope you loved these 6 different unique tea recipes. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite one. I can't wait to hear from you. Be sure, as always, hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. I hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.